All our cells contain DNA. This DNA determines which and how many proteins are produced by the cells. By modifying the DNA, the creation of those proteins can be influenced. This can have a positive effect on diseases. Marianne focuses her research on a specific protein, EpCAM, which plays a role in the development of cancer.
The molecule EpCAM is present on the surface of the cells, and the more of these molecules, the better the cell seems to be capable of dividing. So we try to lower the amount of proteins on the cells, and the problem is that the molecule, the EpCAM molecule, is not only present on cancer cells but also on normal cells, and therefore we try to find ways to specifically bind to this protein which is on the surface of especially cancer cells.
Synvolux is a biotech company which is based on a patent in which we described the transport of biological active compounds and how to deliver them to a diseased or healthy cell to interfere with the function of that cell.
Marianne works with the company Synvolux, which has developed a vehicle that can deliver drugs or DNA to specific cells. This vehicle is called SAINT. By making slight adjustments to that vehicle, it can recognize the EpCAM molecules. Instead of delivering its cargo to every cell it sees, SAINT will only bind to the cells with the EpCAM protein on the outside.
And because it's that specific, we can put effector domains to it, which then only there, at that specific part of the DNA, can modify the DNA. If we can do that in a very gene-specific way, then we can make sure that only the EpCAM gene is not produced anymore, but other genes are not affected.
Of course, we are small biotech companies, so all the more critical and risky projects we as a small biotech would never be able to do. So the co-project then has two advantages for us. There is a lot of technology available in the UMCG, and the co-project is time limited. So if you have a very nice defined question, then you will have the best answer for a limited amount of money within a budget which is predefined.
For universities and medical institutes, it's really important to work together with the companies, because we can really reinforce one another and bring things to the market, and more importantly to the patient.